Well, welcome to the week in review for Module 3, Week 3. Looks like everything's going along pretty smoothly. As far as what we're doing this week, it's the normal pattern, which is a quiz, a learning activity, and a discussion. Please use this week and next week to really start working on your MoveNote presentations. Now, I am working through the MoveNote presentation topics. Please go back and review and make sure I got the feedback in there for you where it says, yes, it's great, or maybe we need to redo the topic a little bit. But please double check your feedback that you submitted to the Dropbox with the title or your subject for your MoveNote presentations. By this Tuesday for sure, I should have everything all done by Tuesday, 2 o'clock Eastern Time, have all of those approved. If we do have any questions, so far everything looks pretty good on the ones that I've done. But please check that. If you do not see any feedback from me by Tuesday after 2 o'clock, please contact me. Let me know. It means I may have missed it, but I think I should have everybody done by 2 o'clock by tomorrow. Okay. So, and then a little bit more about the MoveNote. Again, try to get started this week on it. I am going to put a tutorial about MoveNote that I made for a previous class. So all the technical parts make sense. So please look at that MoveNote tutorial. I highly, highly recommend that you just make a goofy MoveNote. Doesn't have to make up a couple slides in PowerPoint. Doesn't have to be anything even realistically remote to what you're doing. Just for yourself, just so you know how to upload a slide, how it looks on MoveNote, that you kind of taken care of any kind of technical glitches in a low consequence week like this week. So when you actually sit to do this thing, you're not struggling with that piece as much. So again, please do that. I did that. I made like 3 or 4 just MoveNotes just for the heck of it, just to see how it looked, sounded, kind of fine tuning the whole thing. I mean, by all means, you don't need to do that many, but I'd say just do 1 or 2, make sure you got it down on how it works. Okay, and then again, look for that tutorial later on this week to help you with that. Looking at my notes here, that pretty much is it. I have a note about the rubric. The rubric for the MoveNote presentation will be in this course news, so look down below this image here and you should see a link for the rubric. Please look at the rubric. I'm going to take that, and that's how you're going to be graded. So if you want to figure out what does it take to get 150 points, just go down the column and you can pretty much guarantee that you're going to get 150 points. Know that there is a section for peer evaluations. You will be evaluated by your peers, and a percentage of your grade will count towards that. I always reserve the right, though, if there's some sort of unusual situation where maybe the peer evaluations weren't truly accurate, we could always discuss that, but I've never had that happen. So you should be absolutely fine there. But do know that peer evaluations will make up a component of your grade. Okay, so with that concludes this week in review. Remember to always check your college email. Do check the course news often. If you have any questions or problems, I think you know how to get a hold of me. Some of you have been doing a very, very good job with the virtual office. A few students have used the email, so very good. Thank you for that. So with that concludes our week in review for Week 3, Module 3. And as always, thank you for watching.